Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto chocolate bread. Start off with your ingredients. First you need 1 1/4 cup of Carbquik or some kind of flour substitute, and then a 1/4 cup of some kind of protein powder. I'm just using vanilla whey protein powder and I already have those mixed together in this bowl. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, a 1/4 cup of some kind of sugar substitute. I'm using the monk fruit, you know that's my favorite. A 1/4 cup of butter, and we are going to melt that. 3 eggs, and then a 1/4 cup of some kind of sugar-free chocolate chips. I'm using the Lily's dark chocolate. Preheat our oven to 350 degrees and line a loaf pan with parchment paper, leaving overhangs. In a medium bowl, we're going to stir together our sugar substitute and our melted butter until it's combined, and then add the eggs in and whisk those until everything's incorporated. That looks great. So now in another bowl, we are going to whisk together our Carbquik protein powder, cocoa powder, and baking powder, and just give it a good whisk until it's combined. That is well combined, so now we are going to add our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients until it's all incorporated. Everything is well combined, so now I'm just going to spread this into my prepared loaf pan. I just added my batter to my loaf pan and spread it as evenly as possible and sprinkled on my sugar-free chocolate chips. Now we're going to get this into the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. My bread just came out of the oven and it looks and smells amazing. So I'm just going to let it cool off for about 10 minutes and then I'm going to have a little taste. Here's what it looks like after you slice into it. I just had mine with a little bit of butter and it tastes so good. So thanks so much for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye!